Good day everyone, my name is Eric Jangalyugo. I want to share something simple but very close to my heart. As a student, we all through stress, pressure moments, even everything feels heavy sometimes. We forgot to while trying handle school responsibilities and expectation. We also need to care ourselves. Self just about relaxing or rewarding ourselves. It's all about listening our body or our mind and our emotions. Let's choose to rest when we're tired, slowly down, and we need it, giving ourselves space and breath because we will take ourselves we think better. We will be better show up life in more strength. But there's a part learning self-care doesn't want to be big actually. Start with the small habits, drinking water, having short, fixing bed, and morning eating. On times with the look they choose every time they had building discipline, and discipline is build confidence. Sometimes we eat small good habit enough to make it our day life, and of course there will be day when we feel weak, heavy, and discouraged. This normal, we are human, but this is believing ourselves become important, not is loud or dramatic. We just quite promise and keep going. I remember when show progress is still progress. Believing in ourselves means understanding that we don't have be perfect. We just need keep choosing smile, keep in help us grow even when we fail, even we feel down, even when things don't go the way we want start again. When com- combine self-care, small habits, and self-benefits, something change is us. We become more patient, more confidence, and more ready to face the life give us. And sometimes this all we need to take things small step at a time, at a trust those steps will eventually lead to somewhere but better. So today I want to remind everyone, be kind to yourself, take care of your body, build small habits, and never forget to you are capable of growing, improve, and become stronger. But surely, thank you.